My second breakfast. I had banana in the morning before gym. And this is the only thing I'm allowed to eat.
Korean cheese. I bet it's good. Yo, can you Google how to get to Odaiba?
Okay. Actually, the others are cute too. This is pretty.
You got this one.
Oh, I like the teppanyaki as
This
well.
is the fish.
Yeah, so cute.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Strawberry.
Oh, look, it's yourself. This one?
It's so pretty. It's so good quality.
Yeah, you want another one?
It's okay.
You're so lucky, we should go casino. Spicy taxi there.
Lollipop.
Do you want it?
Penguin lollipop. Look. Strawberry shaped lollipop. Beer lollipop.
Oh, that's awesome.
Sushi. And then what do I do?
Look on the bottom. It's here.
Here?
Yeah.
So I flick it?
Yeah. That one? Try that one. Whoa! Where did it go?
There.
Yeah.
And here, what does that mean?
Here. Whoa! Where did it go? Oh, got it. I like how it never
I
gets...
lose. That's your point.
How do you still have 0 points?
I don't know how to get points. I'm so confused.
Try turning left. Yay! 0 points.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Gambling addiction. Ooh, I want this.
Where do I put the gift wrap?
Here. Oh. Dude, I got the Tiny Tan Band Cure, bro. It's a Band-Aid. I think it's useful.
Is it a Band-Aid? No, it's not a Band-Aid. It's a bracelet.
No, it's Band-Aid.
They're useful.
Alright, you can have it. I'm done with this
It's
shit.
freaking J-Hope too.
Bitches. Oh, I shot it the fucking ass. Are you kidding
It's so
me, man?
big. You have to aim for the maybe the.
Oh.
Wait, I'm not okay.
It's hard to take a picture.
Wait, no later after.
Just hold this. Pull that. Oh yeah, stick that ass out. Hold me. You got it? Which one did you get? Which one did you get?
Green one. I'm good at this.
Here. You got it.
Yeah, will it come? When will it come to me?
It's gonna come.
Where? Take a photo of me.
It's already shooting.
Let's have photos.
Alright, go again. Get me another one.
shooting, you're wasting the money. You like milky? I didn't get milky, bro.
Alright.
Fuck! Sorry. Sweet potato. But
You can have it.
はい、こんにちは。されました？ OK ですかね。はい、ありがとうございます。よっ、よいしょー。さて、やりましたー。完璧です。ありがとう。よし、OK。やりましたー。いいですね。そうそうそう。ちょっとおじいちゃんみたいだね、キルクはね。そうそう、ちょっと杖みたいなところが。さあ、上手に乗れたら褒めてあげてください。せーの、OK。これ皆さん、キル君の足見てください、足。で、足で竹馬をね、ぎゅっと握り。そうだー、オッケー。一つ、どうぞ、よっ、よいしょー。はい、よっ、よっ。はい、よっ。よっ、逆立ち。
Not even hard, bro.
さあ、そのままてっぺんまで登ります。
yeah.
よし、オッケー。完璧。
You won! You won! You won!
Let's go.
You're fucking
Let's go.
nuts. The baby squid.
何？
あ、これ。ありがとう。
Thank you. Woo!
Your prize.
Old man still got it, dude.
You're crazy.
Do you feel anything?
Yeah, win. What drink did you get? Oh, you got Karaoke, yay!
This is the classic one. Same color, right?
Okay,
Got it?
okay.
Easy.
Got a new bag for me
Fitting room's here, dude.
and a basketball bag for Johnny and shorts and leg support stuff. It's my new bag.
Yeah, do a full turn. Wow, the bag looks better than the person.
Huh?
Alright, that was a video.
I know. Okay, we're gonna buy a mystery bag, and if we get the stuff that we want, we won't buy these. Alright, we got
we got a good one.
we got a clock.
We got a good one.
Oh, we need a clock.
We got a good one.
What's this? Tissue?
Why the fuck do we get 2 tissues, bro?
What's this?
Minecraft bag.
Put what inside? And the lunchbox.
And some stickers. Well, at least I'm happy with this.
Yeah, it's nice.
Creeper, it's a creeper.
Oh, you're right. It's so cute.
One more.
Bad. Oh, dude.
We got the best
2
too.
diamonds, Alex.
We got the best too.
I got the... Ooh.
Have a seat.
What is popping shower?
Have a seat.
What is popping shower? I don't even know what it is.
You want a seat?
10 yen. They're all 10 yen. And this place is 24 hours. We just need to stay at the Hilton for 5,000 Hong Kong dollars a night.
To play 10 yen slot machines.
Yeah. If we can afford $5,000 for a hotel, we can afford to play the 200 yen slot machine.
Okay, exchange all of these for 10 yen.
Dude, this is so easy. What?
I told you. Didn't I tell? Another one?
What the heck?
You want another one? I told you.
It's a video.
Don't you want one more though?
No, I don't want any more.
But you need one more for the 2 jokers.
Wait,
Right?
can't they just do boy and girl? Boys and girl.
Hey, this is not what I signed up for.
Alright, photo. It's not a photo. How are you gonna bring this back to Hong Kong?
I'm so happy.